Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on March 27, 2019. Kiwi turns dovish on global outlook. New Zealand dollars decreased on recent session after country's central bank warned about weakness in global economic outlook. The New Zealand dollar tumbled after the central bank kept interest rates at a record low of 1.75% and stated that on its next meeting they will probably cut interest rate to a new all-time low. New Zealand's central bank governor Adrian Ott said that weaker global economic outlook and reduced momentum in domestic spending are likely hint on next OCR decreasing. The European Central Bank, Reserve Bank of Australia and Bank of Japan have also taken a dovish path this year, while China's central bank began loosening policy in 2018. New Zealand dollar against the United States dollar decreased as much as 1.45%, showing the worst movement since February 6th. Airbus secures $35 billion deal with China. Airbus secured a $35 billion jet deal from China during a state visit by President Xi Jinping to the French capital. It's another blow to Boeing as it trying to deal with grounding of its newest commercial jets. According to Monday's statement, the order consists of 290 A320 series narrow-body planes and 10 A350 wide-bodies. China has become the world's most important aviation market as its fast-growing middle class spurs demand for travel. Airbus's incoming chief executive officer Gillian Ferry said at the press conference that construction of the A320s will take place both in Tianjin and Europe. After announcement, Airbus shares rose almost 2% and traded around €116.04. Since the beginning of the year, Airbus shares increased 38%, while Boeing shares for the same period gained 15%. Chinese market goes up. Chinese stock markets closed higher on Wednesday after two straight sessions of losses. The blue-chip CSI 300 increased on 1.2%, while Shanghai Composite Index ended up 0.9%. Despite China's industrial firms posted their worst slump in profits since 2011, as increasing strains on the economy in the face of slowing demand at home and abroad took a toll on businesses. Beijing is preparing measures to support the manufacturing sector by decreasing the VAT, increasing infrastructure spending, and cutting direct government intervention. Foreign investors resumed their net buying of A shares on Wednesday morning after selling a bit more than 10 billion yuan worth of stocks on Monday via the Stock Connect. Shanghai zinc hits one-year high. Most base metals increased on Wednesday, and Shanghai zinc reached one-year high as investors focused on tight inventories and the resumption of U.S.-China trade talks. The U.S. Trade Representative and Treasury Secretary are expected to arrive on Beijing later on Wednesday for talks aimed at resolving a long-running trade war that has pushed metals price down. The most traded May zinc contract on the Shanghai Futures Exchange rose as much as 2.1% to 22,450 yuan. Current zinc inventories are at greatly low levels, and the next 2-3 months we will see intense destocking as consumption in China recovers.